It was a fine day when I finally received the sharpening system I've been dreaming about. Now I will have the sharpest blades in my neighborhood, and all my friends and neighbors will come to my humble workshop when they need some help with their knives. So I thought. At first, it was fine to sharpen a couple of chef knives for a local restaurant or to help a misfortunate tourist and restore a blade with a cutting edge ruined beyond repair. But when your skills and tools are getting popular, well, you might face some customers you'd wish you never know. But they are nothing in comparison with the nightmares of knife sharpening. Another October day goes by. Here you go, sir. Hope to see you next year, Mr. Myers, and please keep in mind that next time we will not accept a dirty blade for sharpening. Karambits. Lovely, lovely. Sure? We'll sharpen it for you. And what are you? Okay. Another year, another Batman. What do you mean, how long will it take? It depends on how long. Alrighty then. Yes, always happy to see you, Mr. Voorhees. Yes, it will be sharper than ever. Yes, how may I help you? Oh. You made this knife yourself, right? And what kind of super steel is that supposed to be? Sure, no problem, we'll sharpen it for you. Yep. What do you mean it was supposed to be ready until the midnight? Oh, the ritual is at hand, blah blah blah. Well, let me ask you a question. Do you understand how much effort it took to make this metal kind of steel sharp again? Oh, right. And do you know why we have 0 unsatisfied customers? Well, because the sharpest knives are already here. Another Halloween goes by. Stay sharp, stay safe, and good luck.